What's going on, y'all? Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. It's your boy Playmaker Wave with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana analysis slash update. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly crypto and altcoin and daily crypto altcoin analysis, but we also break down stocks as well as we day trade over here. So we live stream, live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. In fact, Sunday night, I dropped the Sunday chart analysis, and yesterday we went live, and if y'all was in that live stream yesterday, not only did NAS go as projected, but also GU. Now, me and members jumped in on GU, and NAS freaking tanked to the downside. So you would have went into this trade and followed the analysis I dropped. You could have had a 1-to-6 to 1-to-4 risk reward ratio, which means whatever your risk, you could have made 6 to 4 times that amount. Now, this trade was a beautiful 1-to-2, almost 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. And of course, we go into the advanced play signal room, and you can see that we did indeed, in fact, take this position. You see it was December 30th. We see we entered at 9:38 a.m. GU entry SL. You see the TPs. See me giving the analysis update when we hit that level. Talk about how we see it's about to attempt to break through, but keep an eye on that level. Then you see when we hit TP7, and then you see what happened when price hit that level, right? Again, it's called the playbook for a reason. Interesting events, play signal room. Make sure to click those links in the description. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. In this video, we're going to go over specific price points to pay attention to on these coins, as well as my projections and where I'm personally DCing out at. And of course, always do your own research. But we've been in this for a minute. I've been literally telling y'all to get in this since before the halving, Q2 and Q3. So we've been in since like 50, 70K. Now, looking at Bitcoin, again, we have a clear uptrend going on. We got a new month popping up tomorrow, a new monthly candlestick that is, but we are still in an uptrend. We just had a beautiful higher high get made. Now, as far as this month's concerned, didn't really do too much. It kind of just stayed in place and hovered where it started and where November ended. You see what I'm saying? So next month, in the upcoming weeks, we're going to see one of two things. We're either going to see the uptrend continue, meaning we're going to see the higher high continue to push, and we're going to see price break 100,000 again. But it doesn't need to just only break 100,000. Like I've been telling y'all, it needs to also hold 100,000 as support. Now, when we go into the smaller time frame, we can clearly see that Bitcoin's been struggling to do so since it even hit 100K, right? We'll go take a closer look and zoom in. We can see that it did break this level, but after this retest, it failed to hold as support and has been rejecting and treated as resistance. But on the initial push up, it still has respect to 88,000. So for where price is currently at, we're going to see price retrace down to 88,000, where you can look at a good position to DCA in and out at. Now, if it holds this low as support, we can see price coming back up to 100,000. But in order for us to see 110,000, 120, and I see 140,000 as the next long-term target getting hit, it's going to need to hold 100,000 as support. Now let's go back onto the bigger time frame. Now, if it fails to hold 88,000 as support, we can see this take place, which is a reversal going down to possibly 78, 80K, or back to this resistance level to retest the support here at 72, 70,000. So pay attention to these price points right here. But even if price does reach this level, as long as it holds that level as support, we can see a higher high get made, because again, we're still in an uptrend. We do not see reversal coming yet, but this is just me making sure you understand all the possible outcomes. That way, when everybody's freaking out, oh, price is retracing, you can just go back to this video, see what Wade was talking about, and understand why price is doing this. Or when price is pumping, you can be like, okay, Wade was talking about this, now let's see what prices was talking about to pay attention to. Then that brings us into Ethereum. Now, Ethereum, again, is at a good position to take a position at. Again, when you're investing, you don't want to put all your money in at the first investment. You want to average in, okay? That's why I go over multiple different price points. So looking at Ethereum right now, we're bullish as well, but we're kind of struggling to make a new higher high. When we go back here, we can see we had a higher high, higher low, right? Price failed to break this resistance level here at 37,800. 3780. Reversed, respected 2250 as support, came back up last month and this month, but still failed to hold 3800 as support. Okay, When we go into a smaller time frame, we can see price has been chilling for the past couple of weeks at 33.70, 33.80. Now, if it can hold this low as support, we can see price going back up to 37.80, but it's going to need to hold that low as support for us to see 42,000 or even 46,000 getting hit. Now, I do see that getting hit in the long term, of course, but we need that to happen in order for that to happen. Okay. Now, if it fails to hold the current prices at, it could try to retrace back down to 33,000. So again, pay attention to those price points right there. Now, Solana, we're bullish here as well. Now, it did make a higher high here, right? So we can see here, we had some consolidation. We had the higher high. Now, price needs to hold 216 as support. If it hold 216 as support, we can see price going back up to 260. And if it hold 260, 265 as support, we can see 275 and going to 300 get hit easily. Now we're going to the smaller time frame. Let's see what price is doing. Again, like I said, on the initial breaking of it, it held that support, but off the retest, it failed to hold that support and reversed to the downside. So again, pay attention to these price points here. Now, if it does retrace back down to 160, that's a good place to look for a DCA position at, and it can push back up from there. Now, if it fails to hold 160 as support, it could try to retrace back down to 125. Now, again, I've been telling y'all since late November that with these pushes, retracements are going to come going into the new year, and we're already seeing that take place. Okay, so again, don't be shocked or surprised. No, I've been telling y'all this. Now, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Let me know how long you've been in these coins, or if y'all just jumped in them. Also, let me know any other coins you want to see me do any analysis on. Make sure to check out the crypto altcoin playlist as well as the Bitcoin playlist to see how we've been accurately projecting all these coins. Now, if you're interested in a single service or a mentorship program or learning how to day trade, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. Again, if you can read the chart, there's so many different ways you can flip and grow your money, and that's why I'm teaching here on the playbook and in the playbook. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.